Green Hour NYC. This is our botanical series. We're all about repurposing and reusing. So after we enjoyed our floral designs with roses, we then let the flowers dry, also as you can see here, lavender. And then we're now using them as what I call modern style room scent. You can just add some essential oil, and I also added some stones. Actually, these are from Central Park, just from the ground. And then some crystals or shells. Use any kind of container you may have, or of course you can purchase one and create these gorgeous designs that can stay forever. We also have, of course, our trademark selenite, which is adorned with our charmed message, which then is repurposed and reused as a necklace or a bracelet, or you could just enjoy it on the design. So join us at Green Hour NYC and let's have some fun. If you could just smell what's going on here, it's beautiful, just gorgeous. So this would be our rose theme botanical series.